Hey guys, it's Mandy from Pampered and Polished. Today I'm just going to show you a little clip of me doing a glitter fade with some chunky glitters and a pink cover base. So I chose Mermaid from Light Elegance for my base glitter. Just brushed off excess glitter that I didn't need. Now I'm just lightly feathering the glitter down the nail to where I want it to go. This doesn't have to be perfect, it's going to be covered up with chunkies anyways. But if you choose not to use chunkies, you make this look however you want and then cure it. But I'm not going to cure mine yet because I'm going to put in some chunky glitters that I ordered from the Glitter Boutique. So it's a purple and teal shift glitter, super pretty. So I left that uncured. Now I'm just going to grab my glitters and dab them into where I want them to go. Also, your fade can go down as far as you like or up as far as you like. You don't have to add as many chunkies. You can just do a few here and there. I'm just going to load mine right up because I love them. So to pick up the glitters, my brush is just a little bit wet from the glitter, and I just dabbed it into the loose glitters. Cured that. Now I'm going to take my Fuzion Repairz and fill in the bottom half of my tip. So here is where I'm just kneading up with the glitter. Then I'm going to take my brush, wipe it off, and use as little as I can. Oh, didn't wipe it off, sorry. I guess there wasn't much left on my brush. So I just wiped, feathered the pink down over the glitter so that it looked like it was a fade. Like the glitter is fading into the pink. I love that. I think it's really cute. Cured that. Now I'm going to go in with Fuzion's SL Clear. And encapsulate it. I know this is on a tip, but because it is chunky glitters, I wanted to make sure that it looked good. And once you get your gel where you want it to go, you just cure it. And file. This is obviously sped up. I can't file that long or that fast. So just file and shape the nail how you want it. Careful not to file too much to file your glitters off. But if you do happen to do that, you can easily fix it just by adding a couple glitters on top and top coating over it. So here it is, filed, ready to go for top coat. And obviously you choose whatever top coat you like, your favorite one. I'm currently using the Ugly Duckling No White top coat. It's the best one that I've used so far, the one that I like the best anyways. And that's pretty much it. Ta-da! All done. Anyways guys, thanks for watching.